Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the NMDC and the IIT Hyderabad. Combination of both these two are bringing up one nice NICE fellowship program, and here the amount is going to be get up to 25 lakh. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the NMDC Innovation and Incubation Center. So coming to this NICE, so established in the year 2020 by the NMDC Innovation and Incubation Center, is a joint initiative by the ITIC Foundation and IIT Hyderabad and NMDC Limited. So NICE is an emerging entrepreneurship incubation center for depth tech startups and providing them fellowship and incubation support under the ITIC Foundation at the IIT Hyderabad. So here the two different types of programs are there. One is the incubation program. So here apply for the incubation, and second one is the fellowship program. So first we will see the incubation program and then we will go to the fellowship program. Okay. So here the NICE community is explicitly most amazing community for promoting, advancing and growing tech entrepreneurs in India. We are equally eager to listen to your ideas, shape them into the right directions and let you lead your own path. So here, program overview. The main goal of NICE incubation program is to support the companies flourish into successful business enterprises. The program offers the opportunity to entrepreneurs who are passionate about working on the deep tech startup idea. The program is designed to provide all necessary support for scaling a new business venture. Under the incubation program, the startup would get financial aid up to 25 lakhs and various other benefits. More details about program benefits can be found on the benefits page. So coming to the eligibility, here the idea should be on the deep technology. The startup founder should be citizen of India and age limit is 18 to 35. Founder should be at least a graduate, preferably from engineering, medical or science background, and the definite proof of concept is prerequisite. Startups having their own IP are the preferable. Okay, so and while coming to the fellowship program, here you can check down. Yeah. So if you are having any idea, okay, and an idea that doesn't allow you to sleep, if yes, then NMDC Innovation and Incubation Center is a platform which you should look up to. We are looking for individuals having a zeal and enthusiasm for a technology can shape a better future for the world. And coming to the program overview, the main goal of the NICE fellowship program is to support the entrepreneurs, is converting their raw ideas into fully functional product. So if you are having any one idea in your mind and if you want to convert that idea into the functional product, then the financial support will be provided by this fellowship program. Okay, and offers the opportunity to entrepreneurs who are passionate about working. The program is designed to provide all the necessary support. Under the fellowship program, the fellows would get stipend up to 80,000 rupees per month for 1 year for sustenance and prototype development and various other benefits. So here coming to the eligibility, an individual or a team both can apply. You are having a unique innovative idea on deep technology. You are a citizen of India and your age must be in between 18 to 35. You are a graduate from, preferably from engineering, medical or science background. You must be willing to work full time with no other predictable source of income. Okay, so if you want to apply, then you may apply, guys. Okay, and the deadline is December 6, 2020. Fine. So if you want to get the more details regarding this one, so please put in the comment section. Okay, so these are the two things, guys. One is the incubation, financial support up to 25 lakhs. Second one is a fellowship program, financial support up to 80,000 rupees per month for 1 year. Okay. So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends or colleagues. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.